Arrive in style with this Chevrolet 2019 Colorado Ford WD Z71. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are trailering package. Heavy duty includes trailer hitch and 7-pin connector, transmission 8-speed automatic, STD, license plate kit. Front Z71 preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, JET black leather appointed seat trim, seats front bucket, STD. Tires 265/65 all-terrain black wall 31 inches Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack, gross vehicle weight 6,000 pounds. 27-22 kilograms, STD, and black. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one.